Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode where today we're reviewing a 2-in-1 portable jump starter with air inflator. And you guys are currently watching CrewElite. Today's episode, we're reviewing a 20,000 milliamp portable jump starter with air inflator from the company Lokithor. And let me just tell you guys, this jump starter is capable of doing so much. Not only is the battery or the lithium battery that's inside this jump starter 20,000 milliamps, you have the ability to pump air with this tile and the ability to charge USB-C devices through this portable jump starter. But before we actually get started with this Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts when we do upload. Have any questions or concerns about this portable jump starter, make sure you guys go down below and leave a comment as I reply and read some comment I do receive. So if any inquiries whatsoever, please feel free to ask me in the comment section. If you guys did enjoy this video, or if you do enjoy this video I should say, make sure you go down below and leave a like. And then lastly, if you guys actually want to check out this portable jump starter or get more information about it, product information and details will be down below in the description for those who are looking to get more specifications and the hardcore details about this portable jump starter. But right now what we're going to do is actually move over to the first look and unboxing portion of this video. The packaging of this portable jump starter is really robust. They did a lot of padding and concluded, a lot of things to really make sure that this portable jump starter doesn't get damaged throughout the shipment process. It does come in a nice little plastic bag, which I'm going to remove now. They did include a nice carrying bag that you guys can utilize for this portable jump starter to actually, protect it. We have accessories in this bag, but let's actually take a closer look at the jump starter before we look at the accessories included. This is where we actually put in the jump starter cable into to actually supply power when we want to jump start the car, and you guys can see it comes really nicely protected with this flap. And then on this side, this is actually where you need to charge up this portable jump starter, and you could also use it to actually give power out. So this is a USB-A and USB Type-C input and output. On the middle right here, we actually get included with a digital display. We have a power on and off button right here. We have our bar/PSI button right here. We have our plus and minus for our PSI control, and also our pump buttons. And then on the side right here, this is actually our safety emergency light. And then right here we actually have our air inflator output port. So I'm just going to pull out all the accessories. We obviously have our jump starter cables right here that we need to utilize to actually, jump start the battery when it's dead. We have our USB-C to USB-A cable that we can utilize to charge up this portable jump starter. And then we have our different accessories for all our air inflators and stuff. So you guys can see we got bicycle mounts and different adapters that we can use. Obviously we have our pump or our inflator, air inflator cable itself right here. And technically we have two of them. This one's a little bit different from the previous one, as you guys can see, but it does offer a lot of different features and different things you can do as well. They did a fantastic job with the overall packaging and including all these different accessories that you can utilize with this portable jump starter and air inflator. But right now what we're going to do is actually move over to the testing and demonstration portion of this video. Before we actually get outside and actually test out this portable jump starter, let me just show you guys a few more different things that you can do with this portable jump starter. What I'm going to do is actually power it on so I can show you guys the display, and you guys can see it lights up and those different indications that we can actually see. So like right now you guys can see the PSI level. We also have our charging indication for how low this portable jump starter is. If you hold down the pump button on the side right here, it's actually going to turn on and actually turn on the pump. So let me hold it down and I'll show you guys. And you guys can hear the pump is currently on. And then also with on one of the buttons I showed you guys, we had our safety emergency light, which if you hold down, it will also turn on as well. And you guys can see how bright this emergency light really is. And you could definitely use this to light up a whole entire area, especially when you're in a tricky situation. And there's different modes you can set it to, so you guys can see. We have like a strobe mode right here. We have, I think this one is, yep, it's just a slow paced version of this strobe mode that we just tested out. Click it again. You guys can see now it's off. So the emergency light, you know, it's really effective and will definitely get the job done if you're in a tricky situation. And there's one last thing I want to test out before we actually go outside. So let me open up this compartment. We're going to plug it into the USB type A port, just like so. And now what we need to do is I'm going to take my phone and plug it into this portable jump starter. Let me plug it in. And you guys can see it is currently getting charged up. It's even doing quick charge with this portable jump starter slash air inflator. So this portable jump starter just has so many different capabilities and features it brings to the table. All right, so we're currently outside. We're going to be testing out this Lokithor jump starter, and we're going to power it on, and we're going to use these jumper cables to actually plug into this car, and we're going to try to do a jump start with this vehicle. So what we need to do is we need to power it on, and I did fully charge it so you guys can see it's currently fully charged up. I'm just going to plug this into this, just like so. And now you take your jump starter and take it to the battery of the car. So on this car, the battery is actually all the way in here. I don't know if you guys can really see that, but it's going to be interesting. And you need to attach the red with red and the black with black. So I'm going to attach this like that. Attach the black. Oh, that one got disconnected. So I've got to reattach that one, just like that. And now it's actually powering up and juicing up the battery. As you guys can see, it's showing the voltage console on top of the screen right here. And now we gotta quickly go in and start the car. So let me go in. And once the car turns on, you gotta release, take it off, just like that. And now you guys can see the car is on. It's really, you know, ready to go. Now you can easily take it on your go. Now the car is fully charged up, and now you don't have to worry about the battery being drained. So now this car is ready to go, and you shouldn't have any issues with this jump starter. So we're going to be testing out this jump starter with a bicycle now. This jump starter has a portable air inflator built into it, so you can use it to pump basketballs, bicycles, or anything that may need some sort of air. So we have a bicycle right here. We're going to be testing it out, and you guys can see currently the tire is completely flat. And on most bicycles, it's going to tell you or recommend to you the amount of PSI that you need to inflate the tire. So for this one, it says inflate to 40 to 65 PSI. And PSI just basically stands for pound per square inch. So that is like the measurement term when you're measuring the amount of air that you're pumping into an object. So we have the jump starter right here, and inside the bag they did include a bunch of accessories that we need to use, and they also included some adapters that you may use depending on what you're pumping air into. So that this one right here is for, like, you know, balls and stuff, but for pumping up air into a bicycle, this is all you need. You don't need to use any of these extra stuff, and you can choose to use this one or this one. They both do the same job. So I want to be using this one in my case, and what we need to do is remove the cap off the tire, just like that, and we're going to screw this in. And once it's fully screwed in, now you take the other end and we're going to plug it in to this port right here. Plug it in just like that and screw it in as well. We're going to click on the power button. You guys can see it's fully charged. And what I like about this jump starter is you can actually choose the amount of PSI, and once you're ready, all you got to do is click on the pump button, or hold it down, I should say. You guys can see it's already inflating.
and you guys can see it can stop at that PSI that you set it at. So that's what I like about this jump starter, because it can, you know, completely shut off by itself once it's fully pumped in. But yeah, it did a fantastic job, and this is like really tight now, and it's really inflated really well.
So, one of my final opinions and remarks about this 20,000 milliamp 12 volt lithium jump starter / air inflator. Let me just say I'm really impressed with all the different things it was able to bring to the table. There's just so much you can do with this portable jump starter. The LED emergency light was really effective. I love how there's a digital screen, because a lot of them don't have like actual color digital screens, especially on the market. A lot of portable jump starters don't have that kind of functionality, and I really like how they were able to fit that and incorporate it into the design, so you can clearly see the PSI level, you know, the battery capacity level, and also like when you're configuring the PSI level, you can actually see it go up and down. So that's really nice to see with this portable jump starter. But with that being said, we are going to conclude the video right here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode, and if you guys did, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts when we do upload. Have any questions or concerns about this portable jump starter, make sure you guys go down below and leave a comment as I reply and read some comment I do receive. So if any inquiries whatsoever, please feel free to ask me in the comment section. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you go down below and leave a like. And if you guys know anybody who's interested in, you know, portable like power bank, jump starter, air inflator, definitely show this video out to them, as this is one of the best jump starters on the market in my opinion. You know, it's just really robust, has so many capabilities, and the design and overall like functionality of this jump starter / air inflator is fantastic. And if you guys need any assistance, or if you're a business wanting to work with me, our business inquiries email is CrewElite@outlook.com. You guys can shoot me a message if you want to potentially work with me, or if you need any further assistance with this product, you guys can do so by contacting me through my business inquiries email. And then lastly, if you guys actually want to check out this product or get more information about this portable jump starter / air inflator, you guys can go down below, as there's product information and specifications for those who want to get more information, specifications, details, parameters about this portable jump starter. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode. I know I did making it, and I'll see you guys all on the next episode. CrewElite signing out. Thank you guys all for watching, and have a good rest of your day.